Now next problem is, suppose f of z is equal to u plus iv, analytic on a domain D, then u of x comma y equal to c1 and v is equal to, or this may be u is equal to v of x comma y equal to some c2 from orthogonal families of curves. These are orthogonal families of curves we need to find out. Now only thing that we need to find out that they are nothing but orthogonal to each other actually. So orthogonal means the two curves are there. Let us suppose for example these are the two curves. Now this is that is nothing but v and the u. This is nothing but c2 and this is nothing but some c1. They are meeting at a point here. Now when they are meeting at a point, this is nothing but called as a perpendicular. When they are meeting at a point, they are nothing but called as a perpendicular will be there. So therefore the slopes of these two must be equal to -1. We need to find the slopes of the two curves which is meeting at a point. Orthogonal means they are nothing but equal to the perpendicular. They are nothing but perpendicular to each other, all the curves. So for that we will take that. Now proof we'll try to write in the form of like this. Proof, let u is equal to, or u of x comma y is equal to, we'll take it as some c1 dash, and v is equal to v of x comma y equal to some c2 dash. Okay, c2 dash be the two curves. These are the two curves. These are the two curves which are nothing but perpendicular. Now so these two curves, let these two curves intersect at x0 comma y0. So they meet at a point. This is the point where x0 comma y0. They are going to meet at a point x0 comma y0. So we'll write m1. Okay, m1 will be the slope of the tangent. Slope of tangent to u of x comma y equal to some c1 dash. C1 dash at what point? At x0 comma y0. This is m1. And m2 is equal to slope of the tangent to v of x comma y equal to c2 dash at x0 comma y0. These are the two tangents now. So product of these must be equal to -1. So for that sake what we'll do is, we'll try to find out like this: dou u by dou x dx plus dou u by dou y dy is equal to 0. We are differentiating with respect to x and with respect to y because u is a function of x comma y. In the same manner, dou v by dou x dx plus dou v by dou y dy equal to 0. We'll try to find out this one. This is, I may write this is ux dx is equal to minus uy dy. Dou u by dou x can be written as uy. Dou u by dou x can be written as ux. So I may write as dy by dx equal to, I am taking dx to this side. So therefore minus ux by uy. Now dy by dx equal to minus ux by uy. Similarly, this can be written as vx dx. For our convenience, I am writing as vy dy equal to 0. Both are same equations. For our convenience sake, we are writing like this. Now, if you take that side, this becomes vx dx is equal to minus vy dy. So therefore, dy by dx equal to minus vx by vy. Now this will go this side and this will go this side. Okay, so therefore if you multiply both of them, if you multiply both the contents, now you will be getting as like this. Okay, So what is this actually? This is m1. So this becomes as m1 and this is nothing but m2. The slope of the first curve u of x comma y, slope of the second curve u of v of x comma y. Therefore m1 is equal to, we got as minus ux by uy, m2 we got as minus vx by vy. Okay, so I'll multiply both of them. m1 into m2 is equal to minus ux by uy into minus vx by vy. This both minus will get cancelled. Now I may write this as ux equal to what? Vy. I may substitute ux as vy and uy as minus vx into vx by vy. Since ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. This is from CR equations. So I got the CR equations. So vy gets cancelled, ux gets cancelled, you got as minus 1. So therefore what you got, the slope of the two curves is nothing but minus 1, means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. These are the slope you got. So whenever the slope you got, then we can say that the given two curves are nothing but belongs to the orthogonal families of a curves. They are nothing but orthogonal to each other. This is how we can do the problem. Thank you.